Okay, good afternoon. It is around 3 o'clock Eastern Time on the 18th, on the 18th of December. Looking through the New York Times technology section. I am a proud supporter of the New York Times digital edition. Let's find something that's not trials or gossipy. Pure tech. Let's see, pure tech. And first article I see, which is the latest on New York Times Technology Edition. Did you see what Big Bird tweeted? That's the top story in technology. I just can't believe it. Well, let's see here. Are we going to see a tweet? Big Bird is tweeting, I got the COVID-19 vaccine today. My wing is feeling a little sore, but I'll give my body an extra protective boost that keeps me and others healthy. Miss Erica R. Hill even said, I've been getting vaccines since I was a little bird. I had no idea. That's the text from Big Bird. Great story. Let's see what other gems we have today.